Shut the fuck up! Are you kidding me? That's like the worst one ever. Oh my god! Shut up! Oh my fucking god! I'm gonna cry. Holy shit!
Go ahead.
Shut up! Are you serious?
Yes.
You guys really did that?
Yeah.
I was like, oh, who's gonna make me my Halloween costume? Oh my god, I'm so glad you brought donuts for that.
Yeah.
Because Chris didn't even text me.
I know, that was
You
the
saw
icing
part
on
of
the
the
cake.
I hate you guys. Richard's telling me he's probably gonna go.
Dana just texted me, he's like, please edit, people are coming into my office.
Oh. And Kevin, did you put Kevin up to it?
No.
Oh, because he said something and I was like, yeah, I think Jeremy's gone.
No, people really think that he left.